What up? It's Dirty Dan the Man, and I'm back for another video. We're gonna be installing, let's see, this a Downstar kit. Is the dress-up kit for the M6. Well, I'm gonna try to install it. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we'll figure it out. We're gonna put a tripod on the camera to see if it stays, and then I'm gonna read instructions. Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me. These are the instructions. Put them closer. And I'm guessing they go like this from 1 to all the way to 11th. And these are going to be the struts. And this is the battery post, the first one here. I should have checked on Google how to do this. Alright, let's see. So I'm barely on the second step. The first one didn't work. Maybe I should have cleaned all this up. So it's gonna be those. Okay, so it is those that I'm doing next. So I washed the car yesterday. I didn't finish the video the other night. As you see, the wheels are clean now, but the center cap lost its color. I'm debating if I should take the tint off because I have a mod coming for the rear. So I'm debating. I'm still not sure. And it looks like I have bubble gum or something stuck back here. So showing you guys the So the dress-up kit, all the little red accents. These are just there for show because I don't have the airbox. And the strut ones, the power steering ones. These, the ones in here too. Again for the airbox. Yes, I'm missing the cap, but it's missing also the little clip where the cap goes. And then we have these here, which I think is pretty sick. Overall, it looks pretty good. I checked online, they have yellow DRLs for these, so I might be getting some, not sure yet. I also need the front lip, which I don't have. I want to get carbon fiber grills, but since I have the night vision, this M6 is fully loaded. Those are really expensive. They're like $600-700. But it looks pretty good. Then I want to see if I could get these emblems with the black around them. Center caps are all scratched up. I'm also looking at a new set of wheels for the car. They sell these in carbon fiber. Then I have carbon fiber mirrors in the trunk, but for some reason they don't fit in here. I might go lighter on the tint because I have the front windshield tinted too and the rear. But overall, the car is really clean. And I'll link his Instagram down below if you guys need anything done. Work with him, Daniel's M Life. He hooked it up with the license plate, the BMW M6 plate, and it's magnetic. I have these on my Audi too now. Can't put it with one hand. Plate looks sick. I want to get the OEM emblems because I don't think these are real. But that's pretty much it. I didn't show the whole process of me recording the install on the bolts. But yeah, it was pretty much kind of easy except for the strut ones. I didn't have the tool size for those, which it was a pretty big size. I think it was a size 30 spec and I didn't have it, or 30 something. Roland ended up buying them for me, so that's that. But it was a pretty much easy install. Also, if you guys know where I could get these in 3D, like the ones that KG has on his M4, let me know, because, well, I mean, I guess I could just ask him, but. Oh yeah, one more thing. I don't know if you guys know where they sell these, the lights, and with the M6, because I seen an M5 and it said M5. I seen M3s that say M3s, M4 say M4, but they don't have any for the M6. If any of you guys know where I could pick some up, I would really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm in a parking structure right now. Seems like some people are coming up, but yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and that's gonna be a peace.
She with a P in the leg at the condo. We bout to eat Maggiano. Helping the P out some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco.